Welcome to join the ETHVietnam BUIDLathon aMACI community voting. Support your favorite projects from ETHVietnam 2024 and navigate an innovative, private, and anti-collusion voting process using aMACI. Let's get started. Step 0. Voting preparation. Open MetaMask. Make sure the Sepolia ETH network has been added. Or if testnet visibility is activated, you'll see Sepolia testnet directly. Gas fee in Sepolia ETH is needed for voting. You can join this chat for gas fee support. Step 1. Sign up at aMACI and reset the key. Access the ETHVietnam aMACI voting page through the MetaMask app and click the cart icon on the left side. Follow the prompts to link your wallet. Click on Sign up at aMACI. You will be directed to the ETHVietnam aMACI sign-up page. Proceed by clicking Sign Up. Copy your aMACI key and keep it in your Node app. Tap Sign Up. Then your MetaMask wallet will pop up to confirm gas cost. Now you've successfully signed up for ETHVietnam aMACI. But wait, there is one more step. To get anonymity for aMACI voting, you need click Reset Key to deactivate the initial key when finished signing up. Paste the aMACI key you copied when signing up, then click Request to reset key. aMACI key reset requests will be processed every day at 2 a.m. and 2 p.m. UTC. Go back to this page to get your reset key after the latest processing time. Step 2. Go to Vote. Now, let's log into the ETHVietnam aMACI voting page again and cast your vote. Tap on the card icon and paste your reset aMACI key in the text box. Click on Login. Choose your favorite project, click Add to aMACI cart, and proceed to vote by Submit. Congratulations! You've successfully cast your vote. Thank you for participating in ETHVietnam aMACI voting.